Hello, in this video, we will introduce simultaneous assignments. Python also supports simultaneous assignments. In the syntax here, you assign the value from expression 1 to variable 1, and from this, the expression 2's result to variable 2. So this is the last one to variable n. And this is called simultaneous assignment. So you do it independently, like together in the same time. So that's why it's called a simultaneous assignment. Now, for example, let's write this code. It's very useful. You can use it to swap variables. So here we have x is 1, y is 2. Now let's do this now. You can write the swap here using the 3 lines. So x is assigned to temp, and then y is assigned to x, and then temp is assigned to y. But you can write it one line here is using assign y to x, x to y, this doing it simultaneously in the same time. So that is the swap. That is all for the simultaneous assignment. See you on the next video.